Format and validate Terraform configuration for better consistency. Streamline infrastructure management with precision. In the realm of infrastructure as code (EAC), maintaining consistency and readability of your configuration file is paramount. Terraform, a widely used tool in the EAC space, provides a set of commands that help ensure your configuration are not only consistent but also syntactically correct and internally consistent. Two such commands are Terraform FMT and Terraform Validate. These tools are instrumental in automating the formatting and validation process, making it easier to manage your infrastructure efficient and error-free. Using Terraform FMT for consistent formatting. Consistency in configuration file is crucial for teams to understand and manage the infrastructure easily. The Terraform FMT command is designed to automatically update configuration in the current directory to ensure they are readable and consistent with Terraform's formatting standard. This command rearranges the syntax of your configuration files without altering their functionality. It's a kind of applying a style guide to your code, making it easier for anyone in the team to read and understand it. How to format your configuration. To format your Terraform configuration file, simply run the Terraform FMT command in your terminal. This command scans all Terraform configuration files in the current directory, making necessary adjustments to align with Terraform's formatting standards. If any files are modified, Terraform prints out the name to inform you of a change. However, if your configuration files were already formatted correctly, Terraform won't return any file names, indicating that no changes were necessary. This command is particularly useful in collaborative environments, ensuring that all teams members are working with files that adhere to a common formatting standard, through reducing the cognitive load when navigating through the codebase. Validating configuration with Terraform Validate. While Terraform FMT ensures stylistic consistency, Terraform Validate goes a step further by checking the syntax and internal consistency of your Terraform configurations. This command is crucial for identifying potential errors before applying your configuration, saving time and predicting possible disruptions in your infrastructure. How to validate your configuration. Validating your Terraform configuration is straightforward. After ensuring your files are formatted, run the Terraform Validate command in the directory containing your Terraform files. This process checks for syntax error, misspell, missing resources, and any internal inconsistencies that could cause your deployment to fail. If the configuration is valid, Terraform will return a success message confirming that your configuration is syntactically valid and internally consistent. This validation process is an essential step in the workflow, acting as a final check before proceeding to deploy your infrastructure. Incorporating Terraform FMT and Terraform Validate into your Terraform workflow is a best practice that can significantly improve the manageability and reliability of your infrastructure deployments. By ensuring that your configuration files are both consistently formatted and validated for correctness, you can streamline your development process, reducing errors and maintaining high standard of code quality across your team. Whether you are working on a small project or managing large-scale infrastructure, these tools are invaluable for maintaining the integrity and readability of your Terraform configurations.